Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to reformat your PC or laptop and reinstall Windows 7 OS. You may have a computer that has been infected with viruses or malware, or you just want a clean installation of your OS and programs. In some cases, formatting your computer may be the last resort to remove viruses that can't be suppressed with existing antivirus. Before formatting your computer, we recommend that you perform a backup of your data. You can back up your files onto external hard drive, flash drive or another computer. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we post a video.